Welcome to our Prosperity PH tutorial series. Whether you're new to the Prosperity PH system or looking to deepen your knowledge, you're in the right place. The PI system, developed by MIS team. Sign in with your HRIS username and password to start. After signing in, you will be directed to the Prosperity PH dashboard. On the menu located at the top of the website, select Productivity Incentive to go to the PI dashboard. To create new PI, click the plus button at the top of PI list. Let's try creating. Select PI year and month and then confirm. Let's start with the first step. The employee list. Check the EC, SO, and TL lists to validate who is included in the PI. Once you are done validating, you can proceed to the next step. The credit card charges. To import your credit card charges data, prepare Excel file as a source of your data. Let me show you the example template of credit card charges. You should follow the formats of the data. Date must be in year, month, day format. The amount should be in general format. Once it is done, save it with file naming to see card with year and month of the credit card charges. Going back to importing credit card charges. Select the Excel file and then click the Import button and wait until the data is done importing. Once it is done importing, credit card charges will appear in the table with the total amount of fees per outlet. Proceed to the next step. The Paymaster. If there is no data shown in the table, click the Fetch button and wait a little moment to get the Paymaster data. After fetching, the list of transactions from Paymaster will appear in the table. Now you can proceed to the next step. The target. Click the Fetch button and wait until it is done to get the list of targets per outlet. Let's proceed to DTR. Here you can check each schedules including their time in and out to check number of tardiness. Once you are done checking the sources, you can now proceed to compute the final output of the PI. Let's do the calculation. Start with the total PI. Click the Calculate button and wait for the calculation output of total PI. As shown here, we now have the data needed for our next step. Let's see the EC and SO PI. Based on the total PI, each qualified EC and SO now has amount in their employee fund. If the employee has additional AR, you can edit the AR field to add amount. Same with the cash incentives. In the remarks, if there is additional remark that you want to add, just click the employee remarks and then time as needed. Finally, we are now in the final step. The TLPI. Reminder. If the actual and attainment of collection rate is 0% or NaN, get the collection rate first to see the accurate data. Going back to total PI, adding additional incentive, just scroll down to the bottom of table and look for the Add 0.25% checkbox. When you check the box, it automatically add the additional 0.25% incentive. It only appears to those who qualify for the additional incentive based on their TC attainment and collection attainment. You can validate TC and collection attainment as shown here. After adding 0.25% incentive, let us check the EC and SO PI to see if additional incentive reflected in the cash incentive column. Once you are surely done with the creation steps, it's time to post it. Just click the Post button and then sign it to confirm. After posting, it will go to pending status for more checking and validation. Let's go back to the PI list. As you can see, PI has a status in it. For the proof list of the PI, click the Proof List button on the right and wait until List Report is shown. It includes all the incentive of EC, SO, and TL. In the Remarks column, you can select who and to whom the CIB MBTC amount be deposited. This list can be printed or exported as PDF. That's all for the PI system. Thank you for watching.